This is Doğan Gönültaş. I'm a musician and I'm find my purpose still. That's why I don't know who I am, but I'm interested music and I'm interested on some artistic things. And as I said before, I'm searching my artistic vision and my meaning of in life in my inner. I would like to thank my grandparents because of my musical and artistic vision, because I grew up with stay them and with my family, and they taught me everything naturally. I heard many stories and I heard many songs from old times to them as naturally, because I'm Alevis, and you can see in Alevish people, house of Alevish people, this instrument tambour that it's hanging on the wall, and we are grow up a musical atmosphere already. I realized that to this instrument when I was 2 or maybe 3. I aware of it when I was 6 or 7. I heard many Alevi songs and I heard many Alevish poetry, philosophy of Alevism, and deeply and against Alevism, you are already God. This equality affected me, and it helped to me on my work. If you concentrate on it, if you focus on it, you can find some both aesthetically and emotional things. In the Alevism, they say there is a one way, but you can go 1,000 different way. You can go with 1,000 different way. But we believed the human. That's why we believe with the God, because human is God, and nature is God. God is everywhere, but especially in the life.
Bidaydim men komete Degdis yar bu çuvelite Hasbidaydi o men komete Degdis yar bu çuvelite Degdi vara Degdi cano Gharib dosto Parmalane Degdi vara Degdi cano Gharib dejmane Parachano Degdi vara Degdi cano Degdi vara Degdi cano Degdi vara Degdi cano Degdi vara Degdi cano Hasbide gidi من خلچکه نال بدنارا چکا چکا هسپیده گیدی من خلچکه نال بدنارا و چکا چکا تگ دیوارا تگ دی جانو تگ دیوارا تگ دی جانو تگ دیوارا و تگ دی جانو غریبی دجمنه پرشانو تگ دیوارا تگ دی جانو تگ دیوارا تگ دی جانو تگ دیوارا تگ دی جانو تگ دیوارا آخ تگ دی جان لالی دی لالی لالی دی لالا لالی دی لالی لالی دی لالی دی لالی لالی دی لالا لالی دی لالی لالی دی لالی di dalli dalli di dalla lalli di dalli dalli di lalli di dalli dalli di dalla lalli di dalli dalli di lalli di dalli dalli di dalla lalli di dalli dalli di no.
It was long process. It started from my childhood to today. On my album, I can say it was including technical methods and it's including emotional approaching. Firstly, I heard some songs from my parents and my family that which them belong to my birthland. And my parents believing of my parents. When I was 20 years, I asked by myself to my purpose. I'm talking about musical things and artistic things and cultural things especially. And I start recording with some old peoples especially. Firstly in my family and in my close environment, and then I collect some songs from Kiğı and capital of Turkey in the France last year in the small village. A couple came near me and I played and I sung some song from my birthland. And I explained about Kiğı, about my birthland and about my life. And then came to me and they say, we felt you and anymore you have another village in France. And he, especially man, touched my heart with his hand. He touched me with his hand directly, and I guess I touched to him with my voice, with my stories. This is so valuable for me. This is so personal, and my music, I think personal also. Yes, I'm talking about my roots. I'm talking about my stories, my histories, my musical environment, but actually this is my personal life. I came this life and I will go, and I'm interested touching.
kolime yar sevdar yedim kolime gülü gülü sevdar yedim Em kolime yar sevdaliyetim Em kolime gülü gülü sevdaliyetim Terki dedim ekmek getir Karamanı cinane bine Terki dedim ekmek getir Karamanı cinane bine Em kolime yar sevdaliye Em kolime giri giri sevdaliyetim Em kolime yar sevdaliyetim Em kolime giri giri sevdaliyetim Terki nedem bir tası ver Karamanı ciyav bine Terki nedem bir tası ver Karamanı ciyav bine Em kolime yar sevdaliye Em kolime gülü gülü sevdaliyetim Em kolime yar sevdaliyetim Em kolime gülü gülü sevdaliyetim Terki nedem darev getir Karamanı cida sevbine Terki nedem darev getir Karamanı cida sevbine
My new album name is Kiğı. It's mean in Zazaki homes. Homes also affected me a lot because I mean homes not just consist of wall, not consist address. Also it's consist some feelings. And this album consists two parts. First part's name is Shemuge in Zazaki. Shemuge means threshold. Especially according to Kurdish Alevi, threshold so important. Every house has a spirit, soul, like a soul. You talk firstly this spirit. And if you believe or not, it depends on you. But this content affected me a lot. You have to stop at the threshold and you have to talk with spirit. Thanks to this situation, I'm thinking, yes, this is in my life there is some threshold, and I crossed the threshold with kind feelings and unkind feelings. That's why I interest crossing the threshold. Other side of the threshold, there is my mother language, Zazaki. Also other language, Kurdish, especially Krmancki, Kirdaski. Other side of the threshold, I sung with my mother language because my mother language is my home. That's why first part consists my mother language songs, and other parts name in Turkish annelerin sofraları means mother's table. Because my mother's and my mother's friends created some tables, and on these tables I learned many Turkish songs, Alevi songs especially. I learned and I heard many good stories. I want to play and sing some songs for my mother's and my mother's friends. Visit them in them houses. And I learned and I heard many good songs. It's about my homes. That's why I played some songs from them.